Welcome back to Auto Drive, the channel where you get in-depth car reviews, detailed specifications, and everything you need to know about the latest automobiles on the road. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now because we bring you consistent updates about the most exciting cars in the world, and today we are going to explore one of the most iconic vehicles that has returned in a modern avatar, the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle. Stay tuned until the end of the video because we will cover its engine performance, transmission, drive type, interior comfort, exterior styling, safety features, infotainment system, and all the updates that make the Beetle of 2026 special. The Beetle is one of the most legendary cars in automotive history, and Volkswagen has reintroduced it in 2026 with a fresh design and modern technology while keeping the spirit of the original alive. Let's start with the heart of the car, its engine. The 2026 Volkswagen Beetle offers multiple powertrain options to suit different kinds of drivers. The base engine is a 1.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder producing around 150 horsepower with a torque output of about 250 Nm. For those who want more excitement, there is a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine generating close to 220 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque, giving the Beetle sporty performance while still being efficient. Transmission choices include a 6-speed manual gearbox for driving purists and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that offers smooth, lightning-quick gear changes. Both are engineered to deliver a balance of driving fun and daily practicality. As for the drive type, the 2026 Beetle comes standard with front-wheel drive, which makes it easy to handle and stable in everyday conditions. Some special performance variants may offer all-wheel drive to provide better grip and improved cornering ability, especially for those who want a more thrilling drive. Inside the 2026 Beetle, the interior has been completely modernized while still carrying subtle retro touches that pay tribute to the car's heritage. Seating capacity is for 5 passengers, with supportive seats and enough headroom and legroom thanks to clever design and a slightly longer wheelbase compared to older versions. Material quality is impressive, with options for cloth, leatherette, and premium leather upholstery depending on the trim. Higher trims feature soft touch surfaces, chrome accents, and even wood trim inserts for a more luxurious atmosphere. Comfort features include heated and ventilated front seats, automatic dual-zone climate control, ambient lighting, and a multifunction steering wheel that places all major controls right at your fingertips. On the outside, the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle retains its iconic rounded silhouette but with sharper details and a more aggressive stance. It is classified as a coupe with compact dimensions, measuring around 4.3 meters in length, 1.8 meters in width, and 1.45 meters in height, along with a wheelbase of about 2.6 meters. These proportions give it stability while still being easy to maneuver in urban environments. The front end features a distinctive new grille, LED headlights, and daytime running lights that add to its modern appeal. At the rear, stylish LED taillights, a sportier bumper design, and optional dual exhaust outlets highlight its youthful character. Buyers can also choose from a range of alloy wheel designs, going up to 18 inches, enhancing the sporty personality of the Beetle. In terms of suspension and handling, the 2026 Beetle rides on a McPherson strut setup in the front and a torsion beam or multi-link suspension at the rear, depending on the variant. This gives it a well-balanced ride quality, soaking up bumps comfortably, while maintaining precise handling through corners. The shocks are tuned for everyday comfort, but stiffer settings are available in performance trims for sharper driving dynamics. The steering system is electric rack and pinion, light in city conditions and progressively firm at higher speeds, giving drivers confidence and control. The braking system is also strong, with disc brakes on all 4 wheels in most variants, providing reliable stopping power. Front discs are ventilated for better cooling during heavy braking. The system is supported by advanced braking aids like ABS, electronic brake force distribution, and brake assist, ensuring the car stops safely in emergencies. Safety is one of Volkswagen's highest priorities, and the 2026 Beetle is no exception. It comes equipped with multiple airbags, including front, side, and curtain airbags. Advanced systems such as anti-lock braking, electronic stability control, traction control, and hill hold assist are standard across the lineup. Higher trims add features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, making the Beetle safer and more reassuring for both the driver and passengers. ISOFIX child seat mounts in a reinforced body structure further enhance occupant protection. The infotainment system in the Beetle has been completely updated for 2026. It features a high-resolution touchscreen display ranging from 8 to 10 inches depending on the variant. The system supports Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth connectivity, and wireless smartphone pairing. Navigation is built in for higher trims, and the car offers a digital instrument cluster that replaces traditional dials with a fully customizable screen. A premium sound system option delivers crystal clear audio for music lovers. USB ports, wireless charging, and connected car technology are also available, making the Beetle both entertaining and practical for modern needs. Other convenience features add to the daily usability of the car. The 2026 Beetle includes cruise control for long-distance driving, keyless entry and push-button start, power windows and power door locks, and power-adjustable mirrors. A panoramic sunroof is offered in select trims, giving the interior an airy and open feel. Automatic headlights, rain-sensing wipers, and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera further enhance convenience. Luxury features in the upper trims include premium leather upholstery, wood trim, and chrome accents that elevate the cabin feel. Advanced connectivity options such as GPS navigation, Bluetooth, and wireless smartphone features make it more user-friendly. Performance-oriented versions offer sports suspension tuning, larger alloy wheels, and distinctive design elements such as a rear spoiler, sport seats, and unique exterior colors. The 2026 Volkswagen Beetle also introduces special edition packages that emphasize its retro charm while adding modern touches. These may include exclusive two-tone paint finishes, special badges, and unique interior themes. Volkswagen has worked hard to ensure that the Beetle appeals to both nostalgic fans of the original and younger buyers looking for a stylish and fun car. Overall, the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle is a blend of heritage and innovation. It respects its classic roots with a recognizable design while embracing the demands of modern driving with advanced technology, safety systems, and performance options. It is fun to drive, comfortable to live with, and stylish enough to stand out from the crowd. Whether you are someone who loves the Beetle for its history or someone who just wants a compact car with personality, the 2026 model delivers on every front. That was our complete review of the 2026 Volkswagen Beetle.
If you enjoyed this detailed breakdown and want to see more car reviews, make sure you subscribe to Auto Drive right now and stay tuned because we bring you the latest reviews of cars, SUVs, trucks, and future electric vehicles. Subscribing helps you stay updated and also supports us in creating more in-depth content for car enthusiasts like you. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video with another exciting review.